Hi, my name is Rain Matkinsalagi.
And my name is Eli Yaschuk.
And we are students at MacEwan University's Music Theatre Performance program.
In this video, we'll explain how to audition for the program. Think of us as your personal audition coaches.
The first step is selecting and rehearsing your audition material. Please prepare one monologue from a published play and one song from a musical of any style. Feel free to choose material for any gender. If you're looking for monologue and song ideas, our academic advisor will email you an audition materials folder, which contains monologues, songs, and backing tracks.
After preparing your audition material, please complete an audition form. First, fill in all your contact information. Next, create an actor's resume. You'll find a template on the audition guidelines page. Upload your actor's resume directly in the audition form. Then choose one of the following audition formats: in-person audition or video audition.
If you chose an in-person audition, please select an audition date and submit your audition form. You will be emailed a time to audition. In-person auditions will take place in our beautiful studios at Allard Hall in Edmonton, Alberta. The audition includes 3 parts: a dance class, your song and monologue, and a short interview.
In the morning, you will participate in a group dance class. Please wear clothing that allows you to move freely, such as a t-shirt or tank top, jazz pants, leggings or shorts, and jazz shoes or sneakers. If you have long hair, please wear it off your face. The dance instructor will lead you in a warm-up and then teach you a short piece of choreography.
In the afternoon, you will perform your song and monologue for the audition panel. Here are a few tips. When you enter the room, leave your bag and coat inside by the door, walk to the center of the room, and introduce yourself to the panel.
Hi, I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Then, hand your sheet music in a binder to the pianist, discuss cuts, and set a tempo. Next, move back to the center of the room and say the names of the pieces you're about to perform. When you perform your monologue and song, imagine that your scene partner is center, right above the heads of the audition panel. After you perform, if a member of the panel gives you a direction, do your best to incorporate it on the spot.
The panel may also engage you in a short interview about your experience, education goals, and career aspirations. While auditioning can be a little nerve-wracking, just be yourself and share your joy of performing with the panel.
If you're from out of town and can't attend an in-person audition, no problem. You may do a video audition. Place your video camera at head height. Say your name and the piece you're about to perform. Then, record a video of yourself acting a monologue, a second video singing a song, and a third video dancing a short piece of choreography, which can be found in the audition materials folder. Then, upload all 3 videos directly into the audition form and submit it.
The panel will assess your audition based on your preparation, performance skills, ability to incorporate direction, and professionalism. Then, the Office of the University Registrar will email you an admission decision. If you receive an offer of admission, congratulations. If your admission is declined, feel free to apply again in the future.
We hope this video helped you put your best foot forward in your audition.
For more information about the audition process, please visit MacEwan.ca and search Music Theatre Performance, or contact our student advisor at musictheatre@macewan.ca.
Thank you for auditioning for the Music Theatre Performance program.
Best of luck.